Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you will be safe and healthy. Today we shall learn the second method of the Bayes theorem. So I have taken the same problem so that we can compare the second method with the previous one. The question is the same. An insurance company insured 2000 scooter drivers, 4000 car drivers and 6000 truck drivers. The probability of accident is 0.01, 0.03 and 0.15 respectively. One of the insured person meets an accident. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? So the question has already been explained and therefore we are moving ahead. So this is the second method and this is called sample space method. So as usual, in the very beginning we shall define the events. So first of all we are defining A1. A1 is the scooter driver, the event of scooter driver. And then after A2, the event of car drivers. And A3, the event of truck drivers. And there is an independent event, E, which is described as follows. An insured person meets an accident. So please understand, this E can happen in collaboration of A1 or A2 or A3. And now under the sample space method, we have to draw the sample space like this. So let us see total number of insured drivers 12,000. And here we have to draw a sample space. So under this method, sorry. So here we have to draw. First of all, we know that there are 2,000 scooter drivers. So this portion represents what? The portion of scooter drivers of the whole sample space. This is our whole sample space, and of this sample space, this area is covered by the scooter driver. And then after this, this is the area of the car drivers. 4,000 car drivers. And now please understand, this area is taken slightly greater than the scooter driver. Why? Because we know that the number of car drivers is greater than what? The number of scooter driver. And that's why we have done like this. And this area is obviously what? This is about the 6,000 truck drivers. And then on the sample space, we have to draw the chance that an accident will be made uh, of these three types of drivers. So here, first of all, we have to write what is the chance that a scooter driver will be selected out of 12,000. So here, out of 12,000, the chance that scooter driver will be selected is 1 by 6. Similarly, so now here we are writing probability of selecting of scooter driver. This is 1 by 6. And similarly, we find what is the chance that a car driver will be selected. So obviously, the total number of car drivers 4,000 and total number of drivers 12,000. So it comes 1 by 3. So this part, this is called the chance that a car driver will be selected, 1 by 3. And similarly, we find the remaining probability of truck driver, and which is 1 by 2. And here we have shown the probability of A3, that is 1 by 2. And now we can see that there is a circle. We have taken a circle. And now what does this circle means? What does this circle mean? Now please understand, this represents the chance of meeting an accident by any by any of one of these three types of drivers. So that means the accident can be made by the truck driver, the scooter driver, and the car driver. And now we are interested, and now, we have given one more information. What is that? What is the chance? What is the chance that an accident will be happened by the scooter driver? And here we have written. Now please understand. This is called what? Given that A1 is the first event and E is the second event. So this means probability of meeting accident given that he is a scooter driver. So 0.01 is already given in the problem. So similarly, we have given the chance that the accident will be made by what? Made by the car driver, and which is 0.03. And the chance that the accident will be made by the truck driver is 0.15. 0.15. So now, and then after we are going to write what? Total, we are going to find what? Total probability of an insurance person meets an accident. So that means what is the chance that an accident will be taken place? Irrespective of whether the person is scooter driver or car driver or truck driver. So PE simply means the total chance of happening accident by whoever is the person is. So how can we compute this one? Please see. So we write what? What is the chance that the simultaneous happening of A1 and A. This means what is the chance that the accident will be actually happened or made by the scooter driver. So this is what? Simultaneous happening of scooter driver and accident. So this part represents here. Now please see, there is a shadow line here. This is the shadow line, and this shadow line means what? This is called what? The chance that the accident will be actually made by what? By the scooter driver. So to this extent, what? The scooter driver will meet an accident. And similarly, what is the chance that the accident will be made by what? The car driver. So this means what? This means the simultaneous happening of A2 and E. So here, so this represents what? This represents the simultaneous happening of accident by what? By the car driver. And similarly, this is the chance that the simultaneous happening of accident by the truck drivers. And we are going to write here value. So this means what? So now we know that this is what? The dependent event. And so we write the formula like this: probability of A1 times probability of accident given that he is scooter driver. So this is also called the multiplication rule. If you want to multiply, and then we have to do like this. And on the same basis, we can write here probability of A2 times probability of accident given that he is a car driver. And similarly, we have written this one. Here, PA1, its value is 1 by 6. So here we write 1 by 6. And then PE slash A1 is equal to 0.01. And here write this value. And on the same line, we have written the remaining values. And then after, we have to multiply them. We have to multiply like this. And this is what? 0.001667. And here we have written this one. This means what? This shows that chance that the accident will be actually made by what? The scooter driver. So if you multiply 1 by 3 times 0.03, which comes 0.001, and obviously this is the part of this 0.001 here. And then after, by multiplying 1 by 2 times 0.15, and here comes 0.075. And please understand, this circle represents what? The total probability of what? Of meeting an accident, either by a scooter driver, or by car driver, or by truck driver. So this is the total chance that an accident will be taken place, 0.086667. So there is a very small chance that the accident will be taken place, only 0.08. And further, now we are going to find what? The probability of being a scooter driver, given that he has already met an accident. And now we have to find the reverse probability. That simply means that accident has already taken place. The accident has happened. It is our first event. Accident has taken place. And now we want to know what is the chance that the person who has met an accident is a scooter driver. So can you say which thing has happened first? Accident is the first activity, first activity, and being a scooter driver, this is our second. So we have to write this information like this: PA1/A. This means the chance that he is a scooter driver, given that he has already met an accident. So we know the formula from the previous problem. We know to find this. It is called what? It is called the number of favorable outcomes. That means the chance that an accident will be made by the scooter driver, and this means the chance of total probability of meeting an accident. And then after we are going to put the values. So from the diagram we know that its value is 0.01667, and P's value is this much. And here